Alright, this is a video to show what I'm looking for the software to do, the Windows software. Um, First of all, I need to be able to have 5 different inputs, meaning 5 different stock symbols or mutual fund symbols. This is really going to be used more for mutual funds, but it will also be used for ETFs. So let's just say mutual funds and stocks. Okay, here's this chart that you're looking at. This line here is a mutual fund up here. And since 1988, the data that I have, this thing has averaged 6.33%. This green line here is a fund called the Euro Pacific Fund. And once again, you can see all the price data going back to 1988. The data source that I'm going to show you that I need the information to be pulled from, I think, only goes back to like 1996. That's not your concern, but just letting you know. The third one here is a fund called Washington Mutual. It's the magenta line. Okay, so the first thing I need is for quotes to be taken, daily quotes to be pulled off of Yahoo, which I'll show you in a second, and displayed here on the same screen. Okay, the line that you see, the yellow line that you see right here, and goes all the way back to when these started, that is what we're calculating for. And I'll tell you the exact calculations once I finally decide who I'm hiring. But basically what I'm doing is on a monthly basis I'm taking a look at any of the investments that I have on the screen. So in this case, the bond fund, the Euro Pacific Fund, and the just the normal stock fund. And what I'm trying to figure out is, of these three, 1, 2, or 3, which one of these three tend to show the most momentum, or which one tends to be going up. And like I say, the calculation that I need to do is just at the end of every month we take a look at which 3 of these did the best, and a certain percentage of the money is going to get moved. Let's see here. The money's either, if this one is the winner, it has done better in the month, we're going to move a certain percentage of the money here. If this one does better, we're going to move a certain percentage of the money there. Same thing here. What ends up happening though is by utilizing the calculation that I use, and like I say, it's just a couple lines of code. It's nothing traumatic. It's no indicator based. But as you can see, it does extremely well over time. So that's what I'm looking to do. So I need to be able to list, I need to have at least like a place where somebody could type in, like 5 different symbols, stock symbols, ETFs, whatever, have them displayed on the screen, have the percentage returns on the screen, and also we need to be able to calculate for this line for the how we're moving the money between these 3 funds. Now, the place that we're going to get the data from, if you go to yahoo.com, go down to Finance, click on Finance. When you're at Finance, I'm just going to type in a stock symbol here, or a mutual fund symbol, AEPGX. Get quotes. Okay. What you'll notice is over here, there's a thing that says historical prices. We'll click on that. As you can see here, I've got it going back to 1996. I really just want the maximum amount of data we can get. We're not pulling it from this. If you scroll down towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see this download to spreadsheet button. Click on that, and as you can see, iChart.finance.yahoo.com, whatever. I'm sure you guys programming are going to know how to pull this thing, but it pulls the information. Now I'm just opening this up in an Excel spreadsheet. I'll talk to you as we get started on this, but I believe what I'm looking for, obviously I want the open, high, low, close, the date, but really the calculations are going to be done on this adjusted close. So that's what I'm looking for. There are other things I want to add to the program as time goes on, but that's it. So I hope this video helps in explaining exactly what I need. Thanks a lot.